Hi, this is Rich from the C21 Soul team,
And Lana Wynn,
and welcome to our latest listing.
a 604 Beta Court in Campbell.
This is a multi-family property that has an amazing income potential.
It also has a laundry service, which you can actually get some income from, carports, even a side yard for the downstairs unit,
It has some of the best schools in Campbell.
such as Capri, Westmont, and Rolling Hills.
In addition, it's on a big lot of 9,000 plus lot size. Now, come on in and take a look inside.
Now we're here on the upstairs unit with beautifully remodeled cabinets, granite countertops, and tile floors.
And one of my favorite features is that the top floor units have vaulted ceilings. Now, most of the units also have laminate flooring, and the entire building has been changed to double pane windows. So I'm at the laundry room here, and this laundry room serves all 4 units. And the nice thing is that the company will maintain the washers and dryers and also give you a percentage of the profits. So you don't have to come here and collect coins. Now, as you can see, the downstairs units have pretty large patios.
In addition to ample street parking, each unit is assigned one parking in the carport with lots of storage.
The property is moments away from the Prune Yard. The Prune Yard is a well-known 3-tower development that features restaurants, shopping, as well as a theater. And it's also a favorite dining place for Campbell residents. You're also minutes away from downtown Campbell. Downtown Campbell features numerous restaurants, including my favorite, Stacks, as well as farmers market periodically on Sundays. Thank you for taking the tour with us today. Contact us for more information on this property and for a cash flow analysis.